Okay, good morning, parents, students. This video tutorial is just to guide you as to what you're going to be doing for the assignment that was given in language arts. All right, and so if you follow these steps, then you will be able to define. So, let's say I'm a student. I'll be going into Google Classroom, and as a student, I will be getting the assignment. All right, instructions are you need to complete this task. You're going to be using this one here. Okay. So I'm going to be clicking on that. Quickly check my account to see if that's the classes that I'm on. Okay, let me quickly go as a student. Sorry. Okay, here we go. New assignment. I'm going to go here. And if you notice, they have created there's already a attachment sent for me. So I'm going to be clicking on that. All right. Let's say I'm going to be editing this. I'm going to be clicking on that box. It's going to open it up in Google Docs. So if you don't have Google Docs, then you will have complications in you opening up this file. So you have to download the small app called Google Docs. Now it says here, identify whether the sentence is a simple, complex, compound, or compound. Underline the dependent class. So what you're going to do is you're going to be tapping on this little pencil that you see here, and it's going to be editing. Now you know you can edit. So number one, True Blood, as it says here, I'm going to be putting this as compound sentence. And let's say I want to a underline a independent class. All right, there's a little tool. I'm gonna click on television here for a little while. Press it long, press it there. Okay, and if you notice, it's highlighted, so I'm gonna be highlighting it. And there's a little tool that says at the bottom, it says BIUA, and there's a little paintbrush and then some lines. You're gonna be click on the U with the line underneath. That means underline. And also you go about doing that particular assignment. Then here they're giving you blank lines, and I simply answered it by putting in compound. All right, on the line, you tap on the line, and you have answered that particular question. All right, so that's how you go about using these kinds of documents. So when I'm finished, I'm going to click on this little correct mark at the top, X mark at the top again, and I put the arrow at the top, to my left, and I'm out of here. I'm going to put turn in. I'm going to resubmit. All right, now in order for, let's say you did not complete the task and for some reason you went out, all you need to do is come back to your class assignment, click on the arrow at the bottom where it says your work, and click back on your assignment, and you'll be able to do whatever edit that you want to do. But before you do that, you need to unsubmit. So you click that button where it says unsubmit. All right, and then you click on the assignment and you fix whatever you need to fix on your document. You click out again and you turn in again and you put resubmit. All right, so that's basically the steps you're going to follow for that particular class. All right, then when the teacher checks it, let me quickly switch account. The teacher will see the following. So whenever I go here, I go to the class. I'm going to go here and it says turn in. So when I go there, I'm going to see the task. I'm going to click on that, and if you notice, it is already answered there accordingly. Okay, I'm going to click on that. I'm going to open my Google Docs, and the teacher will see the changes happening when he or she opens it. When you open the file, see compound sentence there, etc. So I hope this video tutorial serves as a help. Thank you.